Daffodil International School, an English version school, is situated in the heart of the city, Registrapara, Tangail. The school starts at 8:15 with a morning assembly. Punctuality and discipline are ensured through proper guidance from the qualified physical training teachers here. Morning assembly is a beautiful way to start the day as it fosters discipline, motivation, morals, and values among the attendees. In a friendly, colorful, and joyous atmosphere, a team of dedicated teachers provide education here. By creating interactive learning atmosphere, we try to encourage our students to be vocal and participate more in classroom activities. Other than academic curriculum, extracurricular activity classes like drawing, spoken English, annual games and sports are also held to explore their interests and reach their full potential.
ব্রেকের প্রত্যেকটি জায়গা থেকে তোমাকে কি করতে বলছে সঠিক শব্দ বেছে নিতে বলছে উই কুড নট ড্যাশ দা what understand by this we could not আমরা পারলাম না we could not SESC what does it mean সুমন্ত we could not what does it mean anything does it sense anything we could not see what does it mean দেখা we could not see আমরা দেখতে পারলাম না what could we see we could not see the see you understand now আমরা কি দেখতে পারলাম না we could not see the sea আমরা সমুদ্র দেখতে পেলাম না পারলাম না you understand okay thank you
Annual games and sports milads are held annually in the school as a refreshment in between monotonous classes. Our skilled teachers, through modern teaching methods, try to encourage interactive-based learning process.
What is transformation of sentence? Anyone can say what is transformation of sentence?
Yes, I can. The sentence will be changed, but the meaning will be same. It's called transformation of sentence.
Thank you very much for giving the answer. What we have learned? We have learned that the sentence will be changed. That means the pattern of the sentence or structure of the sentence will be changed, but meaning will not be changed. That means meaning will remain. Now, next question is, why should we learn transformation of sentence? Anyone can say?
Yes, I can. We should learn transformation of sentence so that we can express a sentence with a specific meaning in different way.
Thank you very much. It means that the same thing we can express in different ways. That means for developing skill in language, we should learn transformation of sentence. Have you understood?
Yes, sir.
In today's digitalized world, to make the students compatible as global citizens, we have arranged multimedia classroom. Students' hand-on experience in using computers and projectors are a great help in this regard. To facilitate the experience-based learning process, we have lab classes with expert instructors here.
Us to rethink our perspectives regarding the topic. Learned opponents.
Competitions like extempore speech, quiz, and debate are arranged annually to make the students presentable, confident, and skilled in critical thinking, which will help them to face today's extremely competitive world.
According to www.statistica.com, in 2022, the share of agriculture in Bangladesh's GDP was 11.22%.
Alright, in the final chapter of our discourse, I stand as the third speaker and the closer of today's debate, weaving together the threads of our arguments to create the tapestry of conviction. Guests from renowned position, respected judicial panel of judges, anchors of the competition, and my fellow co-debaters, please accept my humble gratitude. I will say only two facts. One is a statistic and another is a question to you. First of all, if you see that you are saying farmers are leaving agriculture, then how come about 80% people of Bangladesh are totally connected with agriculture? How? Question remains.
To bring out the best from the students, we arrange exams with utmost monitoring and a proper seating arrangement.
Assalamu alaikum. As a principal, I want to say something about this institution, that is Daffodil International School, Tangail. It's totally a different type of educational institution. Here all teachers are very much dedicated and sincere. They are always ready and try hard and so to provide quality education to the students. Not only education, but also we teach the students manner, behavior, attitude, discipline, etc. We also provide different type of extra curriculum activities such as extempore speech, quiz, word meaning, spelling competition, etc. Every year, inter-class debate competition is also held with a special arrangement in the presence of some special guest. In every year, the result of different public exams are also excellent. With 100% pass, we score first or second position holder in Tangail district. The DC of Tangail district has sent a congratulation letter for making excellent result in the SSC examination. Besides this, after passing SSC from this institution, our many students get chance in Notre Dame College, St. Joseph College, Rajaputra Model College, and in other famous colleges also. Even an ex-student has become a teacher in Dhaka University. After all, from all sides, I think this is an exceptional educational institution in the district level headquarters. So, you can visit this institution for your future generation. Thanks.
So, to experience the best educational opportunity for your child in your own city, send your child here in Daffodil International School, Tangail.